Hello teachers, my name is Carla Calderon. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this ice cream matchup activity, which I'm providing you with all the templates that you will need. Let's begin with the ice cream scoop template. When you open this file, you will see that the ice cream scoop is huge. So make sure that you go to the magnifying glass and pick 200. You will then be able to see 6 scoops of ice cream. In this activity, I'll be adding a picture and the word. I'm basically just copying the image and I want to resize it so that it fits the ice cream scoop. I will then add the text by clicking the letter T and typing my word. I'm making some changes to the text like the font, centering the text, and the size. Once you're happy with your ice cream scoop, we will save the image into our computer by clicking on File, Download, PNG. This will only save the scoop of ice cream that is inside the square. So don't worry, you are not saving the other ice cream scoops. I will repeat the same steps, but I will be using another color of ice cream scoop. And I will be keeping the text, but just deleting the picture. I want to keep the text because I want it to be the same size and they all look the same and not like this proportion. Basically, I'm just dragging the scoop out and then moving the one that I want to use now. Just make sure that you move it outside of the rectangle so that when you save the image, it's not on the way. I will now repeat the same steps. In the case that you run into an image that has a white background, you can remove it by going to this website called Remove BG. Once you have copied the image, just paste it here and this will automatically delete the background. And then just copy and then just bring it into the scoop. There are tons of ways you can use this activity. You can also use it for math. Once you have your scoops saved into your computer, it's time to create the activity. I'm sharing with you this ice cream cone and couple Google slide template in which you can double click the rectangle and type whatever you would like. You can also erase some of the cones or cups. Once you have the cones or cups the way that you want them, it's time to save the background by going to File, Download, PNG. Now let's take it into Seesaw. First, we'll upload the background by clicking Add Template for Student Responses. Click on this and select the background we just created. Now that we have our background, let's bring our ice cream scoops by clicking on the camera and upload. Select the ice cream scoops that you would like to add and then just arrange them however you would like. I haven't finished adding all my scoops, but I wanted to show you how to add them. I also have the background template in Seesaw for both the cone and the cup in case you don't want to do the extra step from downloading it from Google Slide. Since you already have the background, all you have to do is just click on the letter T and then add whatever text that it is that you want to put on the cup or on the cone. The only downside to the template on Seesaw is that you will not be able to delete the cups anymore, so you will be forced to have 5 cups or 5 cones. If you use the Seesaw template, make sure that you lock the words that go in the cup so that way the students won't be able to move it. To get the templates to this activity, make sure that you go to the description of this video in which you will find the link. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so you get notifications as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.